Let me tell you a harsh truth. Hanging belly fat is not just about looking good. It's a warning sign. If your lower belly feels soft, saggy, or heavy, your body is literally begging you to fix your core. But here's the good news. You can start tightening it today, right at home. Welcome back to the channel. Today you'll learn the 5 most powerful exercises that target hanging belly fat, especially the lower belly and deep core muscles that most people completely ignore. No equipment, no gym, just real training that actually works. Most people do crunches wrong, and that's why their belly hangs even more. Reverse crunches target the lower abs, the exact area responsible for hanging fat. Lie flat, knees bent. Lift your hips up and curl toward your chest. Feel that tightness right under the belly button. That's how you start pulling the lower belly in, not letting it hang forward. Do 15 to 20 reps. This is a game changer for lower belly tightening, but don't swing your legs, don't rush. Slow up, slow down, full control. If you can't lift your legs fully, bend your knees. The burn is still the same. This move forces the lower belly to work like crazy. One of the most underrated exercises for fixing a sagging stomach. Why? Because it teaches your core how to stay tight and stable. Something hanging belly fat hates. Extend your opposite arm and leg. Breathe out fully, and keep your lower back glued to the floor. It looks easy, but you will feel every second. Regular planks. Good plank with knee tucks. Deadly. This focuses on the lower part of your core and burns extra calories. Bring one knee to your chest. Squeeze your abs, then switch. It shapes the midsection and reduces that hanging look when done consistently. These look simple until they don't. Flutter kicks are insane for lower belly tightening, hip stability, and fat burning. Keep your legs straight, core tight, and kick gently up and down. If your lower belly shakes, congratulations, it's working. Hanging belly fat is stubborn because it's connected to weak core, bad posture. Sitting too much, high stress, poor sleep. These exercises fix the first problem, a weak lower core. And once that gets stronger, your belly starts pulling inward, not falling forward. If you want a tighter waist, flatter stomach, and strong core, do these exercises 4 times a week. And if you want me to make a full 10-minute follow along, workout comment, core below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little core motivation today.